Hello guys, in this video we will see how to create or set up Azure Virtual Machine for the Windows Server 2025. Okay, first connect to Azure Portal, then search for Virtual Machine. See here we have the virtual machines, or click on this services, then see here we have the virtual machines, or you can click on all services, then click on compute. See here we have the virtual machines. All three options are same. Click on virtual machines. Then see I don't have any virtual machine. Then click on create. Then select, see here, virtual machine scale set, preset, hybrid. Okay. Select the virtual machine. Then select the subscription. If you are on free trial, select free trial. If you are on paid one, then select the paid subscription. Then select the resource group. See I have these resource groups. If you want new resource group for this virtual machine, just click on create new and provide the name. Okay. I'm going to select virtual machine. Then virtual machine name. So ours is Windows Server 2025. So I'm giving Win 2025 VM AG. Okay. Then select the region. So based on the region, cost will change. See I have selected region as Central India. Then select the availability options. I'm going with availability zone, or you can select virtual machine scale set or availability set. Okay. These are based on your requirement, but this demo purpose I am going with minimal. Then availability zone, I am going to select zone 1. If you want all three zones, you can select, but if you select these zones, see cost is increasing. Okay, so unselect it. Then security type, see here we have the three options: standard, trusted, launch virtual machine, and confidential virtual machines. I am going with the standard. Then select the image. See here in the drop down where I have the Windows Server 2025 data center editions. If you are unable to find the versions, then click on see all images. Then select Windows Server. Then see here we have the versions 2016, 19, 22 and 25. See here in the bottom we have the 25, and in Windows Server 2025 also we have the server core and data center editions. I am going to select Windows Server 2025 data center edition. Select it. Wait a moment, it will populate the cost here. And architecture we have only x86. Then run with Azure Spot discount. If you have, you can select here. Okay. And size, and see here this size is currently not available or unavailable in this location. So select another available options. So I am going to select this size. See cost has been increased. Now enable hibernation, I don't want. Now create the user account and provide the password. So I am giving admin as the username. So I am giving admin as the username. See, username must not include reserved words. So username must satisfy these three conditions. Admin, remember this username, then provide the password. Password must not be empty and it must be between 12 to 123 characters long. So remember it. Then inbound port rules. By default it is selected RDP. It's fine. If you want HTTP, HTTPS, then you can select. It is up to you. Then licensing, would you like to use an existing Windows? I don't have, so click on next. Then OS disk size, by default it is selected 127 gigabytes. I am going with minimal. Based on this OS disk size also cost will change. Okay, and OS disk type I am going with the standard SSD. Delete with VM, which means if you delete the virtual machine, this OS disk will be deleted. Okay, it is up to you. Key management, I am going with platform managed key. Then enable ultra disk compatibility. It is up to you. Then see here data disks for this virtual machine. And if you want to create and attach any disk, click on here. If you have existing disk, you have to click on add, attach an existing disk. I don't have anything. Then go to networking. It is going to create new virtual network, subnet also, public IP. See, if you don't want public IP, select none. If you want new public IP, select it. Remaining options I am going with all basics. Delete public IP, select it, enable network, and see here load balancing options none, or load balancer, application gateway, see, whatever you want you can select. Next one is management. This I am going with all defaults. Monitoring I am going with these also. If you want to configure alerts, you have to keep the checkbox, then you have to select these options. Okay, I don't want, unselect it. And then advanced, if you want to provide any custom data, you have to provide here. Okay, remaining options I am not going to configure. Tax, now see here, this is the estimated cost per month. Okay, then click on review and create. See, review the settings one more time. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on create. See, initializing deployment. This will take some time. Wait until this deployment completes. See here, validations, validation passed, deployment is in progress. Once deployment completes, you will see progress here, or you can receive the pop-up like deployment is complete. See, your deployment is completed. Even if you go to this notification, see deployment is succeeded. Now click on go to resource, or click on here go to resource. See here, overview of the virtual machine. Even if you go to home or virtual machines, then see here we have the one virtual machine. Click on it. See, virtual machine status is running, and this is the location information, subscription ID, size, 2 CPUs and 4 gigabytes. This is the public IP. This is the virtual network. DNS name not configured. We will configure later. Okay, and see here the properties. See, it populated all the information. It is Windows Server 2025 Data Center Edition. Okay, this is the IP and other information. Monitoring, tutorials, recommendations, capabilities. Okay, now we will connect. So to connect, just click on this connect. See here we have two options, connect or connect via Bastion. Okay, click on connect. Then see port number, just in time policy, unsupported. Okay, see this is the public IP. Then you have to download RDP file, or just copy this IP, open Windows Run, then type ms tsc, then give that IP and click on connect. Now we have to provide the user that you have created. I have given VM admin. If you forgot the username, see here the username is VM admin. Then provide the username and provide the password that you have given for this user. Then click on OK. Click on yes. Click on accept. See, you got the Windows Server 2025. If you want to verify, just run Windows Run WinVer. See, you got the Windows Server 2025 Data Center Edition. Okay, close this one. If you want to log off, just type Windows Run log off. Enter. Now go to overview, or just click on download RDP file. Keep it, open the file, then click on connect. Then you have to provide the password of this admin account. Okay, this is the way. Both are same. Click on cancel. Now go to overview and see here we have the options like start is grayed out because it is already started. We have the restart, stop, delete. Okay, and if you want to change the properties, see here in the left side you have different options. You can change these options. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to create or set up Azure Virtual Machine for Windows Server 2025. Okay, for more Azure or DevOps tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.